Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. If we want to launch quick camera, we have to set up quick camera. Now I will show you how to launch quick camera on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Keep watching. At first I will go to my phone settings. I tap on settings. Now I will tap on advanced features. Here we can see quick launch camera. Open camera by pressing the home key twice in quick sessions. Now I tap on toggle to enable quick launch camera. Now I will go to my screen. Now I quick tap my home button and it's open my camera. Again I tap on back icon and I will open my camera again. I quick tap home button twice and it will open camera. So viewers, hope this video will help you to quick launch your camera on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.